Hello everyone. Hi Scorpio, water sign. This is the reading for you. January 2021 monthly reading, and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. Energy could be vice versa. So take what resonate and leave the rest, guys. So let's see your messages, Scorpio, water sign, for January 2021. Scorpio, your messages. Okay, let's see. Okay. Two cards. So Scorpio, what I'm seeing here. So in recent past, you may be turn your back from your person. Definitely there is some sneaky energy. The devil, you may be obsessed with your person. Excuse me, 2 minutes. Sorry guys. So in recent past, definitely turn your back from your person, and there is some obsession. You may be obsessed with your person, or your person may be obsessed with you, and you are trying to achieve your balance. Yeah, temperance. I think there is no balance in your connection in recent past. You are trying to achieve balance because you are unbalanced. I think this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states. So what's going on right now? Nine of Swords. Definitely you are in some anxiety. You are thinking about something a lot. It could be your person. I think for some you may be in separation. For some there is no contact between both of you. Yeah, Three of Cups with Ace of Wands. Someone want reconciliation with you, and there is a lot of passion, and they are very passionate about you. And Three of Cups. Definitely they want reconciliation. For some it could be third party situation also. That's why you turn your back from your person. So right now you are thinking about something a lot, and it's create anxiety also. So in near future, 10 of Cups, Queen of Swords, the Sun. Yeah, definitely for some there will be reconciliation because the 10 of Cups and some honest communication, truth coming out, and the Sun. Yeah, positive outcome. For some, children's also involved in this connection. And Queen of Swords, I think this time you both will get clarity about the situation. And 10 of Cups, definitely love is coming in your way. The family card is here. Definitely I think some marriage, some commitment is coming in your way, Scorpio. And definitely there is some positive changes coming in your life. The Sun card is here. So in near future, definitely very positive for you. But what's right going on? What's right? Sorry. What is going right now? There is a lot of thinking that's create anxiety and depression in you. So you have to come out of that energy. Then there will be so much positive things are there for you. So yeah, someone coming back for reconciliation. Some communication is also coming in your way. Definitely some positive changes are coming. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or especially Sagittarius. This could be long distance relationship. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going on, Scorpio. So first we will see your person current feelings. Ace of Cups, High Priestess, Queen of Wands. Yeah, definitely there is love, and they are listening to their higher self. They are listening to their intuition, what I'm seeing here. And Queen of Wands, definitely there is a lot of passion. Your person is very passionate about you, and they are also very strong person, what I'm seeing. Definitely their love towards you is overflowing. This time they're trusting their intuition. Yeah, they're thinking about you very positively, and there is a lot of passion involved. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Scorpio. Your person near future actions towards you. Eight of Swords, Two of Wands, Magician. I think they're trying to manifesting you back again their life, but not taking any action in physical world, but in ritually they want to manifest you back again, because 8 of Swords and 2 of Swords, they're thinking and they're stuck. They don't know how to make a move towards you, because 8 of Swords is very stuck energy. Definitely they love you, love is there, but literally they are stuck now. They don't know how to make a move towards you. And 2 of Wands, definitely they're thinking about you a lot. Yeah, they're trying to manifesting you back. Yeah, but physically I'm not seeing any effort, but they want to trying to manifesting you back. Love is there. So the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Yeah, under the deck, 4 of Cups. Definitely they're feeling sad for the missed opportunity with you. 4 of Cups is here. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Scorpio. Nine of Pentacles. 3 of Cups. The Lovers. And Page of Cups. Yeah, some messages coming in your way. If they did something wrong to you in past, definitely some apologies coming in your way. And 3 of Cups with 9 of Pentacles. I think your person may be concentrating on their career. That's why they are unable to make any move for some. Definitely they want to achieve financial stability. They want reconciliation. Definitely they are trying to manifesting you back, Scorpio, if you are in separation. And the Lovers with Page of Cups. Definitely you also love your person. Love is there. But some apology messages, some communication is coming in your way. Yeah, so for some there will be reconciliation is going to be happen between both of you, because 3 of Cups with Page of Cups and the Lovers. There will be reconciliation, there will be celebration also. So the person you involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Gemini. Yeah, they're thinking about you a lot. They want reconciliation with you. If you are in separation, if you are not in separation, they really want to take this relationship to next level. Yeah. So let's see your overall energy for the month. Scorpio, Knight of Wands, 4 of Cups, the Star, 5 of Pentacles. Still, I think you are in separation, definitely. Some cold shouldering, and you are hoping for the best. I think your person may be seeing you as a star. And 4 of Cups, definitely you are also feeling sad for the separation, or your person may be feeling sad. And Knight of Wands, yeah, someone is coming towards you and there is a lot of passion involved in this connection. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your person overall energy for the month. Yeah, 5 of Cups in reverse, King of Cups, Ace of Swords, and the Lovers. You or your person could be Gemini also. Yeah, definitely some communication is coming in your way. And Truth, Ace of Swords, King of Cups. Definitely your person has strong emotions for you and they want to end this separation between both of you, because 5 of Cups came reverse. Definitely they want to end this separation, and yeah, after some time they will make a move towards you once this energy will completed. Yeah, they have strong emotions and there is some honest communication is coming in your way. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Gemini, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So Scorpio, what I'm seeing here, for some there will be reconciliation, for some I think it will take some time depending upon your situation, because right now your person feeling stuck. They're thinking about you a lot but not taking any action, any efforts physically, but they're trying to manifesting you back again in their life. Yeah, they're listening to their higher self. I think they're trusting their intuition this time. I think you are waiting for a message. I think it is coming towards you, because the Page of Cups is a message card. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. And thank you so much for watching and supporting me. So Scorpio, yeah, this is the reading for you. So bye.